Cryptocurrency has created massive wealth for investors worldwide, but many beginners struggle to understand how to profit from it. Unlike traditional investments, crypto operates 24/7, offering unique opportunities to earn money. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your portfolio, here are the best ways to make money with cryptocurrency. 1. Buying and holding, hodling. One of the simplest ways to make money with crypto is long-term investing. This strategy, known as hodling, involves buying cryptocurrencies and holding them for months or years, waiting for their value to rise. Buying established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum and storing them in a secure wallet can lead to significant profits over time. This strategy works best for investors who believe in crypto's long-term potential and are willing to ride out market fluctuations. 2. Crypto staking for passive income. Staking allows you to earn passive income by locking up your crypto assets in a blockchain network. In return, you receive staking rewards, similar to earning interest in a bank. To stake crypto, you need to buy proof of stake (POS) coins like Ethereum, Cardano, or Solana and deposit them in a staking platform. Staking offers annual rewards between 5% and 15%, making it an attractive option for long-term investors who want a steady income stream. 3. Crypto trading for fast profits. For those willing to take risks, crypto trading can be a profitable strategy. Unlike long-term investing, trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within short time frames to capitalize on price movements. Successful traders use technical analysis and market trends to predict price changes. Some prefer day trading, making multiple trades within a day, while others practice swing trading, holding assets for days or weeks. Trading requires knowledge, discipline, and risk management to avoid losses. 4. Yield farming and liquidity mining. Yield farming involves lending your crypto to decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms to earn interest. Liquidity mining is similar but rewards you with additional crypto tokens. By depositing crypto into DeFi protocols like Aave or Uniswap, investors can earn passive income through high annual percentage yields (APYs). However, DeFi investments come with risks, including impermanent loss and potential platform failures. 5. Play-to-earn games and NFTs. Blockchain-based games allow players to earn crypto rewards by playing. Some NFT projects also offer earning opportunities. Games like Axie Infinity and The Sandbox allow users to earn in-game tokens that can be traded or sold for profit. Similarly, NFTs provide opportunities to buy and sell digital assets, including artwork and collectibles. While some investors have made huge profits, NFT markets are speculative and can be unpredictable. 6. Earning free crypto through airdrops and rewards. Some blockchain projects distribute free tokens to promote their platforms. These airdrops are a great way to earn crypto without investment. Users can also earn crypto through cashback rewards, surveys, and referral programs on certain platforms. Making money with cryptocurrency is possible even for beginners, but it requires understanding the risks and choosing the right strategy. Long-term investing and staking offer stability, while trading, yield farming, and NFTs provide higher potential rewards. Success in crypto requires patience, research, and strategic decision-making.